This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks.
Alright, let's remove the makeup. Pluck the little hairs. I'm worried about how this is gonna come off. Oh. 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 Then I remove all to get rid of all this liquid latex on my face. Ooh. Now we will remove going to take my face halo and get some of this off. I am gonna go in the shower now.
Okay, so we're back at it again. I have to take off all this makeup now and I don't want to. Number one, because it's cute. Number two, because it's gonna be very painful. I put so much freaking latex on this thing. I don't know. I'm gonna get this off. It's on my eyebrows, so oh, that hurts. My friends tell me I should use Vaseline. Don't ask why it's in this tub. I would listen to them, but what fun would that be? None. Beauty's pain, beauty's pain, beauty's pain. Ow! Gosh, that came off so easy. What? I don't know who's gonna come. Oh, ew. I'm pink. There is so much glitter and pink all over my face. I look sick.
Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh no. Woo! So it's in my hair. Great. Oh, it's in my hair on this side too. That's great. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, my eyes are watering. My eyes are actually watering. Ah, no! Woo, no! Hey, my nose stud survived. Sick one. Alright. Ow! Why do I always do this to myself? Ah! It's on my ear. Oh, it's in my actual hair again. Great. It's not like I didn't shave my head once this year. Apparently I'm gonna wax it too. What? Well, I feel refreshed.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my TED.
I just spent 9 hours on this look, and you know how many likes it's probably gonna get? 3. And it's okay, because you know what? I tried and did my best, but TikTok, please don't make this a waste of my time, but it's not at the same time.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my TED.
Bubby, can you help me remove my makeup?
Yeah, I can help you remove your makeup. Hi.
Oh my god, what did I do? Wait, why would you pick the middle one? I can't feel my face.
Now I can yank.
No, don't yank. I said don't yank.
I'm not yanking.
My spit.
Pull this way, maybe it'll help.
Ow, no, I didn't. Wait, this eyebrows. Ah! Oh!
So can I go faster?
No. We're good.
Dance.
Julie. Press the eyebrow down. Retain
let's make up.
Dang!
Oh, it looks like little black hairs.
I don't go. I need your love and support.
You have my love and support from the other room. See? Still supporting. Still supporting. All the way out here, I'm still supporting. Still supporting.
Pick up my makeup with me. Oh. Oh no, the ears. Sad. Ooh, and this one. Oh, this is so sad. I don't want to do this. Should I just, just rip? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh no. I look terrible. Take up my.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least
I'm ready to take.
Take off my makeup with me. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out my hair clips. The second thing I'm gonna do is take off my wig. Third, now that my wig is off, I'm gonna take off my eyelashes. 4, get a face wipe. It doesn't matter which face wipe you use, I like to use these.
Now begin rubbing.